ओके, जीके का रिवीजन हो रहा है। ओके शोएल, हाँ पढ़ो, मैं जो क्वेश्चन लिखवाया
हाँ
है।
मैम।
डू रीड।
Vincenzo Volta, as an intern physicist, he invented the first chemical battery in 1800. Question 2. Karl Benz from Germany designed the first practical automobile powered by a petrol-run engine. 1855, he named it the Benz. Patent modern. Question 3. What type of instrument in the flute wind? Is violin a wind, string or precision instrument? String.
ओके दीपल,
मेरा हो गया।
हाँ ओके दीपल,
मैम
एटीएम फुल फ्रॉम,
मेरे पास
एटीएम फुल फ्रॉम,
ऑटोमेटेड टेलर मशीन।
अमर वेट, अमर वेट, WHO फुल फ्रॉम,
मैम ऑटोमेटेड वर्ल्ड हेल्थ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन।
ओके नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, हु वाज कॉल्ड छत्रपति?
शिवाजी।
Okay, good habits and bad habits. Reach out for something you want instead of asking someone to pass it.
Ma'am, your voice is low.
Okay, I will be again repeat question. Okay. Reach out for something you want instead of asking someone pass it. Good
Bad
habits.
table manners.
Bad what? Bad table manners. Okay. Who was known as the Tiger of Bengal?
Sir Asutosh Mukherjee.
Who was the first Prime Minister of India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes. What are the chief source of vitamin E? Okay, Soel. Tell me.
The chief source of vitamin E are calves, vegetables, eggs.
Okay. The jewelry makes our shoe.
The cobbler mends our shoe.
Okay. Animal's baby's name. Okay. A baby hen.
Chick.
Okay. Practice make a man dash poor या perfect.
Perfect.
Yes, very good. Meet your device. Okay, Soel.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Animal's baby's name.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
A baby goat.
Okay, ma'am. Kid.
Okay, good manners and bad manners. Okay. Come to the table with clean hands and face.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
I think network problem. Okay.
You can again repeat.
Come to the table
Ma'am, you
with
can again repeat.
Okay. Come to the table with clean hands too and face.
Good table manners.
E-bank full from.
Ma'am, e-bank.
E-bank. Yeah.
Electronic bank.
Yes. WHO full from.
World Health Organisms.
Okay. Okay. Where do we go to deposit the money?
Ma'am, again repeat.
Extra question. This is extra question. Where do we go to deposit the money? Deposit.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Where do we go to deposit the money? Okay, Soel, mute yourself. बैंक हम लोग
Ma'am,
पैसे कहाँ जमा करते हैं?
Ma'am,
Yes,
can I
बैंक.
tell? Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay, so Sifa,
Yes, ma'am.
who is the current defense
Yes.
minister of India?
Current Prime Minister.
Defense minister.
Ma'am, current Prime Minister.
Yes. Crime.
Narendra Modi.
Please properly. Who is the current defense minister of India?
Current Defense Prime Minister of India. Ma'am, I don't know that.
Defense minister Rajnath Singh. Current defense minister Rajnath Singh. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, next, Shabnur.
Ma'am, tell more questions.
Shabnur.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dash was Germany designed the first practical automobile powered by a petrol run engine in 1885. He named it the Benz Patent Motor Wagon. Carl Benz. Okay, next question. Next question. AIR full from?
Air India Radio.
Yes, very good, Rito. Next question. What are the chief source of vitamin A?
Ma'am, repeat once more time.
What are the chief source of vitamin A?
Eggs and green vegetables.
Yes. Okay, very good. AI full from?
Air India.
Okay, very good. Okay, practice makes a man dash poor ya perfect?
Perfect.
Yes, very good.
Perfect.
Yes. Next question. God help those who help themselves ya yourself?
Themselves.
Okay, very good. Next, a baby goose?
Googling. I'm googling.
Yes, very good. Okay, the barber teaches in the school. Underline words.
Ma'am, teacher teaches in the school.
Yes, very good. What? Okay. Who is the current finance minister of India?
Ma'am, Rajnath Singh. Ma'am, Rajnath Singh.
Finance
Ma'am,
minister. No, finance minister.
Ma'am, Nirmala Sitharaman.
Yes, Nirmala
Sitharaman.
Yes, very good. Nirmala Sitharaman. Okay. Wait, cat baby's name?
Kitten.
Yes, very good.
Kitten.
Okay. Cow baby. Cow baby. Yes. Cow baby's name?
Cow.
Ma'am, calf.
Calf. Okay, very good. Yes, very good. Okay. Okay. Which movie has won the Best Animated Feature Film Award at the Academy Awards?
Zootopia.
Yes, very good. Okay, how many independent countries are there in the world?
195.
Ma'am, 195, ma'am.
Ma'am, 195.
Yes,
195.
yes, very good. Okay, next question. Which vitamin is required for maintaining good eyesight?
Vitamin A. Ma'am, vitamin A.
Ma'am, vitamin A.
Yes,
Ma'am, vitamin A.
yes, very good.
Vitamin A, ma'am.
Yes, very
Vitamin
good. Okay, next question. A mineral that is required for keeping our bones healthy.
Calcium.
Yes,
Calcium. Calcium.
yes.
Calcium.
Okay,
Calcium.
next. Okay, very good. Okay, next question. Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as.
Ma'am,
No, beta. No, wrong.
Ma'am, vitamin D1.
No, this is wrong answer. Okay, right answer will be scabies.
Ma'am, Sophie.
Yeah, scabies.
D1.
Deficiency of vitamin C causes a disease known as scabies. Okay.
Sophie.
Yes. Okay, next question. Deficiency of which vitamin causes a disease known as beriberi?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, vitamin B1.
Yes.
Ma'am, vitamin B1.
Vitamin B1.
Very good, everyone. Very good. Okay. Okay, next question.
Ma'am, मैं बोलूं?
Sheep baby's name?
मैम मैं बोलूं? Yes, ma'am.
Sheep
What
baby's
ma'am
name?
बोलिए?
Sheep baby's name? Okay, next question. Okay, everyone. Next question. Honesty is the dash policy.